Hello YouTube, this is your president back with another unboxing video. This is for the MainStays brand of a toaster. Toast, of course. It is the cheapest one you can get. I think it was like $8.88. I know I suck. Probably should get a better one, but I don't actually use a toaster that often, so I don't really need a fancy one. But let's see. 6 toast settings and cancel feature. Wide slots to fit larger sliced bread. High lift function. Drop down crumb tray for easy cleaning. This is a Walmart brand. Made in China, of course. Most things are. Got an instruction booklet. This is what you see when you first open it. Of course, always wipe down every appliance when you first buy one. It has like a thing at the bottom to keep it from moving. Take it out of the bag. That's basically the assembly. There's the cord and toaster. Of course, wipe around the outside, make sure it's clean. That's it for this. And then there's the quick instruction booklet. There's an English and a Spanish version. Just say important safeguards and additional ones. Not really much to it. It's toaster. Toasting instructions before using for the first time. Remove all packaging, wipe it down, stuff like that. Very simple stuff. And this is about maintenance and if you want to do pastries in it. Very general stuff. It has a 1-year limited liability or warranty. And you flip it over and it starts the Spanish version of that. So, really not much to it. It's a cheap toaster you get at Walmart. Again, it was like, I think it was $8.88, the same price as I paid for the can opener, which I did a video on, the same brand. So check that out if you want to see it. Any comments, questions, put them below. Please check out my channel. I do a whole boatload of stuff. Unboxing, food review, restaurant reviews, tourist stuff like Disney, historical places, abandoned places. So please check out my channel if you like. Please subscribe. And any questions, let me know. Alright, thank you everybody. I hope everyone has a nice day. Bye everybody. Bye.